PrizePicks Payouts Explained. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video we will see the mistake that most of the people make when they try out or bet on PrizePicks. The biggest mistake is that you should only deposit the amount that you want to use. Suppose you are depositing around $100 and you just end up using $50 on different bets, then even if you make $500 using that $50, you won't be able to withdraw your money because you need to use all the money that you deposited. In our case, or the example that I gave, you need to use whole $100 in order to withdraw the funds. So only deposit the amount that you want to utilize completely. So deposit $50 if you want to utilize $50. Otherwise, you won't be able to withdraw. And the other problem is that people don't choose their payment methods correctly, and in that case you won't be able to withdraw the funds. And one more reason is that people don't verify their account properly. You need to verify your account properly using your government provided IDs and your smartphone. Only then you will be able to make the withdrawals. So it's better that you do your verification seriously and also confirm your email address. After that you will be able to withdraw the funds. So these were some important tips. I hope you will remember them. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more such helpful videos.